guys. I'm up here, was looking for something, but it's time to go on over here and get this diagnostic with this car. Y'all doing okay today? What y'all doing? Yeah. In the wig. Yeah, we doing that. It's cold. We lose heat. Oh, girl, I gotta stop at Target and take this back. Elisha wanted hair clippers. I gotta remember. Let me slow down. I think we're good. If not, we in the vicinity of where I live, so we're not going nowhere far. Let's see. Okay, y'all, we gotta get in this loud car. I don't think I want to put y'all through all that. Those technical difficulties. Yeah, I look different up here. No lashes. All good. Still pretty. Hello. Do we need... no lashes. That's all. No lashes. Okay. Let me see y'all. Girl, this car is so loud. But she's a classic now. Don't play. I'm telling you. If they ask your husbands, your boyfriends, all that, baby, she's classic. She's a 1999 Infinity I30. Look her up. Classic, sunroof, everything works on her. She's beauty. Leather interior, carpeted. Girl, I even have an ashtray. You know, the console is, what is the console? I forget the name of it, but it's like that pretty wood, you know. Girl, let me see. Let me open the garage. Get some light going on, because it is daytime, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna go get her checked out. That's what we're doing. Because she's loud, you know. And my little nephew, who's good on cars, back home, Marcel, shout out. Shit, I sent him a 10-15 second video, and you know, he told me a word of some part of the car. Now see, you guys, I ain't gonna speak that. My garage is tripping again. You know, I just need a whole new garage opener. I don't like that. And I'm gonna make it known, because when I have to repeat myself or have to double back, you know, we had this situation on a previous video. Excuse me? I'll be back. Shit. Girl, I think I got mud on my damn boot. Girl, look, every woman should have one of those suede jogging sets. You know, we get from Learners, you know, the black, burgundy, blues, greens, you know. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. The suede jogging set, and then got the jacket on, girl, and I put on some little suede boots. I don't know why. Just wanted to. How about that? We buy all this stuff, you know, wear it. I'm just going in my vicinity. Remember my little community. I ain't bothering nobody. Okay, girl, I'm sitting up here thinking, this garage episode, like, really? Oh, I'm gonna text him. I have my maintenance man's, the head maintenance man. I got his info. He used to live on grounds, but he moved, him and his wife and their 2 little babies. So, but he's a good young man, and he responds, you know. Like even like when I redid my bathroom, you guys, you know, I was able to text him and ask him to come over and put in my new shower head that I bought from Amazon. Yeah. So he you know, he responds. You know, he's a good gentleman. When I came back, when I did my trip to Africa, and I came back, I brought him a little something, you know. So he's been around here, I want to say 2 years, 2.5 years maybe. But now he's a lead. You know, even though our management company, if you live in apartments, then you already know the management company keeps changing up. You know, they how businessmen do this business with apartments and all of that stuff. You know, and sell them. And let me see, yeah, we're going right there. Shit. Right there. Ugh. So, but anyway, you guys, how you doing? You doing all right? I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I don't have any lashes on, but we good. We gonna make it through, right? Girl, I just didn't feel like going through the drama. I mean, it's not drama for me to put the lashes on, but I knew I was doing extra with some suede booties, heels, you know, suede booty shoes with my suede learners two-piece. I knew I was doing drama there, so we can leave the lashes off. How about that? How about that? Girl. Anyhow, I hope they now see, I hope they can pinpoint this, you guys. Okay, I'm turning it off. Okay, you guys, we here. Right across the street. Minor key. Okay, I can leave that in here. I was thinking to ask one of the technicians to just get in this damn car with me and roll around the block. You know, I'm good for that, so that I don't have to even explain to you what's going on. I hope that this place is blessed to have one person who knows what's happening. God bless him right now. We're gonna know exactly what's going on, and it's gonna be in my price range. So it seems like the intake is going pretty good. I got the car back there, so you'll see what's going on. Like I said, it's right across the street from me, so
it's okay. Like I told him,
my main thing is I'm just hoping that they have someone back there who really know what they're doing.
The transmission was going out. And if this car and the transmission goes out within before.
Okay, you guys, so he's gonna go around the block with me in the car because he doesn't see anything wrong underneath. All right, I'm cool. He has figured it out. CV axle. He took me out there, let me really see what was going on. I took pictures and all that. So yeah, I'm good. Prayer answered. Ah! Okay, so we're on our way up out of here. Putting back out the car. We know it's a CV axle. You guys, the pretty penny is $500. But yeah, that sounds about right. Diamond had messed up my CV axle in my Mazda, so it is kind of expensive when you it seemed like, I think that like if you hit something or something of that nature, you know, it can mess up what they call a CV axle. So anyway, I'm just glad that I got it all done. I got his name, Kansas, so that he from the Midwest, so we had a good, you know, good little talk there. But now I know what it is, so yeah, I think we'll keep her. Okay, y'all still hanging with me? Let me see, I think I might need to charge the phone a little bit. Okay, y'all. Girl, them hats with wigs, look, they make a whole look. Make a whole look. Okay, y'all, we gotta go to Target because Elisha bought one of these for grooming. He wanted to try to keep up with his head. You know, I guess some edging. Edge up is really what he was trying to do, and he bought the wrong thing, so we're gonna take that back. So, and I think that's all I need to do. But we found out what the culprit is. Thank you, Lord. God Almighty. Thank you, Divine. Thank you, Spirit. We know what the culprit is. But girl, $500. There we go. So, but what you think? Fix it or what? Try to get another used car? Might as well fix it, right? I like her, like I said. You know, I like her. I ain't got no problems with her. just want to keep her up. She got new shoes on, new feet, all that. Okay, over here is where I need to park. All right, y'all, I'll be back. Okay, the sun trying to come out, you guys. That's a good thing, though. You know how you always feel a certain way in these exchange or return aisles. I'm just playing. But then you be hearing all those, let me get this done. Okay, well, we done with that. That didn't hurt too bad, but you know how sometimes you get some folks that be up there, girl, they're a hot mess. Anyhow, I think we done, y'all. Ain't really nothing else to do. Let me think. Okay. So, you know what? I am thinking that I should run into Walmart to get that pepper and bacon. I like those large things of bacon. And I think it's a little cheaper at Walmart. I could have just got it at Target, huh? I don't think Target do that like that. I don't think they do pork like that. Seriously, Target seem like it's a vegan store. You know what I mean? Like they wouldn't sell like no big old things of pork. You know what stores kind of, you know, go to. Anyhow, you guys, the sun is coming out. Well, ain't that about nothing? Mother Nature is showing her face. Okay. I need to file this now. I broke it. I ain't too quick to go get it fixed. It kind of blends in. So, because I need to take them all off and give me a new set. That's what I want to do. I don't even know if I want to go up here to Walmart to get this bacon and pepper. Maybe not. Maybe I just want to go home. Probably got some more cleaning to do. Anyhow, you know what? Change of plans. I'm going home. How about that? I'm going home. I don't need nothing else. I was going to pick up some bacon and pepper. We'll do it another time. Yeah, just go home and call my auntie, go check on her. She done cut her hand. I left her a message, was like, you know what? Trying to chop up some cabbage. And, you know, I'm like, when you leave the store, auntie, take it to the deli and tell them to cut that shit up for you. You know, some things could be alleviated. So, anyway, you know how that stuff go. We got those who are getting older in our family. Anyhow, she's loved dearly. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and call my auntie. Call your auntie. Call your sister. Call your brother. Call somebody. Bye. I'm about to go in here. Let me reverse because I got to go into the office. I'm kind of aggravated about my garage. I don't like to be dealing with this stuff 2 times over. So now, let me stop up in here. I want to just put a new system. Shit. Stop playing. This thing is, you know, Girl, they were too cool. Problem solved. We talked and they like, look, ma'am, we're gonna get you a new one. We understand. I'm like, this is just such a inconvenience. You know, this remote don't like me and I don't like it. They said, well, go on and toss it. We're gonna get you a whole new one. I said, well, thank you. Hell, I've been here 5 years, girl. You know, try to put that little clout in there because they knew. So, but anyway, service is service. So that was good service. I'm cool with that. All right, you guys, now I'm going home. Call my auntie. You see? And my garage door ain't even going down. That's aggravating. That's aggravating. So, you know, but I'm home. But when you're leaving, girl, it's double aggravating. Back home, you guys. All is well. Thank you. It's been a great day. It's been a great day. Thanks for hanging with me. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Hope you picked up some things. Hope you learned some things. Hope you don't have any problems with your car, okay? Or garage. How about that? And if you do, that all is well and is solved already. You just walk through. All right. Peace out, you guys. Bye.